Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add Adblock to your Google Chrome web browser really quickly and with very little effort. So let us get started right away. Now, all you need to do is launch the Google Chrome web browser on your PC or laptop. And what you want to do after that, guys, is access the Google Chrome Web Store. You may do that by clicking on these three dots in the top right corner and by hovering a mouse over extensions here, and from the following drop-down menu, select Visit Chrome Web Store. Now here in the Chrome Web Store, simply use the search bar at the top and type in Adblock just like that and press enter on your keyboard. Now in the following, you will be given access to a list of supported ad blockers here in the Chrome Web Store. So you may pick the one you find the most interesting. I personally would suggest to use an ad blocker that has received so far quite a lot of positive customer and user reviews with at least 4 out of 5 stars in the user satisfaction score. So I will go with that one here for demonstration purposes. And after that, guys, in the final step, simply click on Add to Chrome here in the top right corner. Give Chrome the permission to install the ad blocker on your Google Chrome web browser. Wait for the installation to be finished, and that's basically it. Now with that ad blocker running in the background on Google Chrome, you won't see any annoying pop-up ads anymore while browsing through Google Chrome, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.